You mean the fresh spinach and the frozen spinach cooks down to nothing?
Yeah, spinach cooks down to nothing. So you got to get enough of it.
So, how do you like your torpedo pots? Uh-huh.
The torpedo pots are great. It's just that my husband spends too much time out here talking about it.
You know, this is going to go viral with you. All right, well, the season is changing, and these are the Malabar spinach. And as you can see, Miss Addison can't keep up with her harvesting. She's got so much to harvest that her plants, her food is like growing all over the place, man. Poor girl. I mean, this is amazing. Have you ever seen anything like this before?
No.
This is amazing. Malabar spinach. Holy.
It's pretty to look at. It's absolutely pretty to look at.
Is it really?
It's so pretty. I don't even want to cut this. I don't want to cut it.
You don't want to cut it?
We can cut it.
Wow.
I don't want to cut this. I really don't want to cut this.
Why?
Because it's pretty to look at.
Uh-huh.
You got purple vines.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. You got seeds. Look at these seeds.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look how pretty they are.
Wow, that's so gorgeous. And they're all edible, right?
They're all edible.
Jeez, that's crazy, man. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds or your plants in, and guess what? They grow your food for you. You never, ever have to grow your food again. And that's for sharing. Now, that is a lot of spinach. It's hard for me to explain to people that you might be picking 8 pounds of spinach if you count the vines and everything else, you know what I mean? But it's so, right now, this is towards the end of the season, so the Malabar is probably going to be starting to get a little tough at this point. But
as long as it stays above freezing, they'll be fine.
This is very true. As long as it stays above freezing, you said, right? Yeah. Totally agree with you. Wow. So have you tried
This
eating?
hasn't been harvested at all.
Yeah, I know. I've actually, tell you the truth, I haven't harvested. I was letting the viewers see what it looks like. So I never really took the time out to harvest. I was going to pull the stick out the center and just harvest it as one big piece.
It's such a pretty plant.
It is such a pretty plant.
Harvest it.
Yeah, I know. It is amazing, I have to admit.
Sorry, I'm not in my finest clothes.
Hey,
Please forgive me.
if that's as you come out for gardening, you're in great shape. And that's what gardening should be. It should be something, look at this, isn't that beautiful? Food all around you. These are torpedo pots, guys. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your food, your seeds and your plants in a planter, and they literally grow your food for you. That's what we're doing, we're harvesting. Oh, the soil, sorry about that, the soil. And literally, it grows such beautiful food, unbelievable. And it's all edible. Just pull it off for the picking and eat it. Wow. Amazing. Wow, you got quite a harvest there, girl.
Yeah, it's going to cook down to nothing without.
Yeah, I know. Well, what are you going to cook it with?
Okay, I'm not sure.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure. Let's go in and see.
Wow. Thank you, Sharon.